Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Alright, standard form to vertex form. Okay, standard form to vertex form. Quick review. What the hell is standard form? Well, standard form is y equals ax squared. Remember the rest? Oh yeah, plus bx plus c. There you go, a, b, and c. We talked about that before. Okay, vertex form, y equals a times x minus k squared plus h. There you go. And so vertex form is easy to find the vertex. This is the shift from the left to right. This is the shift from up to down. And a in both of these tells you whether it's wide or narrow or whether it opens up or down, etc. So there's advantages to both of these. So let's just take this for an example. Number one. Excuse me. Okay, so let's find the vertex of this thing. So let's do two examples. So I'm going to do this twice. So first is, this is in standard form obviously, so it looks like this. That looks like that, standard form. So if I'm going to find the vertex, I need to do this first. X equals negative b over 2a. What's that? Yeah, axis of symmetry. So x equals opposite of 6, which is negative 6, over 2 times a, which is 1. So that would be negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. So axis of symmetry is negative 3. So I need the vertex, though. So how do I get the vertex? Oh, I need to plug it in. So f of negative 3, so I'm plugging in negative 3 for x to get my y. Negative 3 squared, just plugging in this right here, plus 6 times negative 3 plus 13. So that would be, negative 3 squared is 9. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 plus 13. 9 minus 18 is negative 9 plus 13 equals 4. Okay. So I did all that work, and the vertex, we have negative 3, 4. So I got my vertex that way. That's the old school way. That's what we learned before, and we had a quiz on it. Now we're going to learn something new. So I'm going to take the same problem. Okay, so that all should be in your notes. The vertex was negative 3, 4, right? That was the vertex. Now we're going to get it another way by converting standard form to vertex form. Okay, we're going to do that by completing the square. Write this out first again. X squared plus 6x plus 13. Let's see if we can get vertex form and get this same answer, huh? Let's see if we can do it. Math is a wonderful thing. So I'm going to complete the square. So first thing, I'm going to subtract this 13 on both sides. Whoop! So I got f of x minus 13 equals x squared plus 6x. Yeah, it's a little bit different because it's on the right side when we complete the square, but it's the same principle. So you can adjust to that. It's not that big a deal. So space right here, remember that? So in here is my c, which is going to be b divided by 2 squared. And here's b. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. And I'm going to add 9 here to the 13. So on the left side, I got f of x, negative 13 plus 9 is negative 4. So this f of x is y. It's the same thing. So that's y. So if I'm confused, that's y. That's what I put in my head. Okay. Now what's this factored? Yeah. If you're confused, you go right here. So that's 3 and 3. So it's x plus 3 squared. Okay. Almost done. I got to solve for f of x. So this negative 4 has got to go. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So f of x equals x plus 3 squared plus 4. Huh. Now I just converted it to vertex form. This right here is vertex form. I'm done. Nice. Now what is the vertex now? Oh, that's my left to right switch. That means I'm going left 3. And here means I'm going up 4. Whoop! Which is the same as this right here. Yes, we got the same thing. Okay. So in vertex form, I got the same thing as if I did the axis of symmetry and plugged it back in to find the y. Great. Math is wonderful. Let's try this again. Look at number 2. Write this down. And also we have the answer right here, so let's see if we can get it. Negative 2, 0. So here's all the work. Okay. f of x, this is standard form, x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now I'm going to convert this into vertex form. First thing, subtract 4. Get that c out of there, because I'm going to get a new c. Minus 4 equals x squared plus 4x space. Right there. What goes in this space? C, my new c, is going to be b divided by 2 squared. Okay? So, excuse me. B, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. You got to balance the equation. Balance. There you go. So f of x, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so it's just f of x there. I'm done. Okay. Next one, factor this. Yeah, you should be good at this by now. X plus 2 squared. And then there's a plus 0 there if you want, but it doesn't really matter. You don't have to put that. So I'm only shifting left 2, and I'm not going up or down because there's nothing here. So it's 0. Negative 2, 0, and that was the answer right here. You got it. Thank you very much. One more. Number 3. All right, number 3. Here's the answer right here. Let's do number 3. You can do number 4 on your own because the answer is right there. So number 3. F of x equals x squared minus 12x plus 5. Okay. See if you can do it. Pause the video. See if you can knock this one out. Then I'm going to do it. Ready, set, go. All right, welcome back. Check it out. Hopefully you did this. Subtract 5 on both sides. F of x minus a 5 equals x squared minus 12x space. Okay, so right in here, whoop. So I got my new c is going to be b divided by 2 squared. So negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36. Add 36 to both sides. So I got, on the left side, I got f of x, negative 5 plus 36 is plus 31 equals, ooh, can you factor this? It adds to negative 12, multiplies to 36. Yeah, x minus 6 squared. Last step, remember it was in the first example, minus 31, minus 31. So f of x equals x minus 6 squared minus 31. So I'm done with vertex form. There we go. That's vertex form. What is my vertex now? So this means I'm going right 6 down 31. So there you go. 6 and negative 31, and there you go. So now try number 4. Answers on the bottom, and then once you're done, you have these, and the answers are on the bottom here. See how many you can do. Practice this. Great job. Later.